Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number or version number. So let's enter the version here, and as you can see the number we've got this number at the very top of the list. So now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and here enter system and updates. Then let's tap on developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn the option to don't keep activities, so your device will destroy each activity after turning it off. We can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall. So basically all we have to do is to tap on the switcher on the specific option and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. Your device will need to be restarted, so just tap on restart, and after this whole process the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.